Hi. Make sure you put some gaffer's tape on your Allen wrench that you get from Home Depot. If you're going to do it the way I did it, I didn't use their tool. It was very small. It was made for very small hands, and I kept dropping it. So anyway, you'll hear that click when you loosen one of the first screws that holds the mount in place, and it can be a very imposing click. You're going to hear it right here. Ready? That means it's being untightened from that factory perfection that they did in Hong Kong. Anyway, I wanted to just make this video to sort of dispel, the fear you might have in changing an adapter out on a camera system. I mean, I definitely had a little bit of anxiety doing this, especially when you're exposing the 6K sensor here, which is priceless. You scratch that thing and it's all over. It's game over. But look at me, I'm flexing right there, pointing at it. Here we go. This is the Viltrox. This is the company that makes this third-party adapter for Sony E-mount lenses, because I switched over to Sony about 5 years ago, and all of my lenses are E-mount lenses now. And one sec, I just want to mention something here. There's a little bit of play when I put the mount down, and I was like, what the fuck is that? What's going on here? I don't know it at the time, but the release lever was actually depressed, so it comes up as you tighten the screws back in. You'll see it when I get to the left side. It actually presses the button up, and then it seats itself perfectly. So there was no leeway after I got it properly positioned. Anyway, I have all these Sony lenses, and I was like, damn it, I want the Z-Cam. This thing's dynamic range is crazy. It can compete with the Red, and I want the most cinematic image, but they don't make a mount for it. So I was basically resigned myself to the fact that I'm going to get the A7S3, which is a great, unbelievable camera. I'm filming this overhead with it. But then Viltrox came out with the adapter, and I had been saving for a gear truck, just a small beater, for the past year, and I decided to take that money and invest it in another camera, but a cine camera, because I'm gearing up towards making these short films and these movies. Anyway, so now because of that adapter and the Z-Cam, I've been liberated as a filmmaker. Here we go. I'm going to put this Sigma 24 to 70-2.8, an amazing, absolutely amazing lens, and you can hear it click right in there. It's nice and snug. There were some people that said on the message board, if they're off-brand lenses, if they're not Sony's, they don't sit snug. That is not true. I put a Samyang, which is the Rokinon lens, an 18mm on there. It was fine. I put the Sony 28mm on there, it was fine. I put the Sony 50mm, which people had said it doesn't seat properly, but guess what? They're wrong. It does. They're all wrong. This is living proof. It's 2021 here, guys. Anyway, I'm very happy with this camera. It's honestly the type of camera system I've wanted ever since I was in film school. Pistol grip, follow focus. We're in business. Stay tuned. More videos.